Assalamu alaikum student. Today's our topic is about the shoot system. The shoot system. It forms the aerial portion of a plant and remains above the ground. It consists of main stem, leaves, branches, flowers, fruits and seeds. Now the stem. The stem is the aerial part on which the nodes, internodes, birds, leaves, flowers and fruits are born. It grows from the plumule of the seed. It forms the main axis that connects the root system with the rest of the plant body. It grows above the soil and towards sunlight. The stem may be branched or unbranched. Now student, the young stem is usually green and herbaceous, though it is hard and woody in some plants. The leaves. Student, the leaves arise on the stem at definite point, and that definite point called nodes. Look at the picture. The nodes are very clearly. There may be one or more leaves at a node, right? The part of the stem between two successive nodes is called internodes. And you have clearly seen in the picture that between the two nodes, the internode. The angle formed between the base of a leaf and the stem is termed as leaf axil. Right, student? Now the birds. A bird is a condensed shoot. Means bird may give rise to flower or to new shoots. Birds which grow into new shoots are called vegetative birds. Birds which grow into flowers are called floral birds. Right, student? A young shoot has a bird at its tip. Clearly seen in the picture. This known as the terminal bird or the apical bird. In the picture you have seen clearly the birds in the axils of leaves are called axillary bird, right, or lateral bird, and they give rise to lateral branches. Now student, this is all about the stem, means the part of a shoot system stem. The modification and the function in the next class, inshallah.